So you want to win back your ex-girlfriend or ex-wife without chasing? I get it. You miss her, you want things to go back to how they were, and every instinct is telling you to reach out, to explain, to convince her to come back. But what if I told you? That's the worst thing you could do. Instead, I'm going to show you how to be more attractive, reclaim your confidence, and make her want you back, without you ever needing to beg or chase. That is where the real power lies. Before we discuss this, take a minute to hit the subscribe button, like the video and comment below in order to help us spread this powerful information to other men online. Okay? Great. Let's get into it. What is attractive to your ex? First things first, what actually makes you attractive to your ex-girlfriend or wife? It's not pleading. It's not texting her non-stop. It's not showing her that you're broken without her. Women, especially your ex, are drawn to confidence, emotional strength, purpose, and self-respect. The moment you start acting needy, you lose your value in her eyes. Let's discuss some key points for strong, confident, and powerful men to remember. Confidence is king. If you believe you are high value, she will too. Emotional control. She doesn't want a guy who crumbles emotionally. Purpose and drive. A man focused on his goals is 10 times more attractive. Scarcity mindset. She has to feel like she's losing something valuable, not that she can have you anytime she wants. How do you become more attractive to your ex? All right, so how do you actually become more attractive instead of just pretending? Here's your game plan. Level up physically, hit the gym, eat clean, and dress better. Looking better isn't just about impressing her, it's about feeling better about yourself. Social proof and high status. Go out with friends, post fun things on social media without overdoing it, and show that your life is moving forward. Abundance mindset. Don't sit around waiting for her. Date other people, meet new women, and remind yourself that she's not the only one out there. Emotional control. Don't react emotionally to anything she does. She texts you. Take your time to respond. She posts something trying to get your attention. Don't fall for it. Why you shouldn't chase her. Now here's the big one. Why should you never chase? Simple. Chasing is unattractive. When you chase, you put her on a pedestal. You signal to her subconscious that she's the prize and you're just another guy hoping for a chance. That's not how attraction works. What are the effects of not chasing as a confident man? Creates mystery. She wonders why you're not reaching out. Reverses the power dynamic. Suddenly, she's the one thinking about you. Triggers regret. If she thinks you've moved on, she starts questioning if she made the right decision. Boosts your own value. You start focusing on yourself, which ironically makes you more desirable. How do you need to act to be the most masculine version of yourself? Masculinity isn't about acting tough or pretending not to care. It's about being grounded, strong, and self-sufficient. Here's what real masculinity looks like. Controlled presence. Speak with certainty, move with confidence, and don't over-explain yourself. Purpose-driven. Focus on your goals more than your relationships. Women are drawn to men who have direction, non-reactive. She pulls away. You stay calm. She tests you. You pass by, not getting emotional. Indifference to outcome. Whether she comes back or not, you're good. That's real power. So what have we learned in this video in order to re-attract your ex-woman? Look, I know breakups are hard, but the truth is if you focus on improving yourself, rebuilding your confidence, and living an incredible life, your ex will notice. And when she does, the dynamic shifts. She'll start thinking about you, missing you, and wondering if she made a mistake. That's how you win back your ex, without ever chasing her. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on confidence, attraction, and self-improvement. See you in the next video.